这个美国前总统川普去互暗杀未遂，造成耳仔受伤，加在伊人是平安。不过，伊讲伊袂因为这件代志就改变伊的行程，伊决定伊会如期参加共和党全国代表大会。也那美国总统拜登嘛有敲电话甲伊关心，而且拜登伫咧发表全国演说的时阵，嘛呼吁美国人都爱团结。
正伫咧总统大选进行的时阵，美国前总统川普遭到枪击，成做全世界注意的焦点。总统拜登取消行程，提早返去白宫，讲甲川普有进行简短掩过袂歹的通话，也呼吁美国人爱团结。
There is no place in America for this kind of violence or any violence for that matter. An assassination attempt is contrary to everything we stand for as a nation. Everything. It's not who we are as a nation. It's not America. And we cannot allow this to happen.
拜登的谈话一直讲到国家，强调伫咧美国目标是绝对袂使的，承诺除了对川普一切必要资源甲保护，也对这件代志的委员工作进行独立调查。
And we'll share the results of that independent review with the American people as well. And finally, I'll be speaking more about this tonight at greater length from the Oval Office.
美国时间8日进行的共和党全国代表大会，将会正式提名川普将做党的总统候选人。闪过枪击暗杀的川普，伫车队护送之下去机场，照计划去威斯康星州的密尔瓦基。伊发文讲，袂互枪手或者是潜在暗杀者改变伊的行程。伊那当地维安的工作也加强戒备。
I know that the security measures have been amped up quite a bit, so pretty confident.
Considering what happened with the attempted assassination yesterday, I think things are probably even tighter than they would otherwise have been.
伫咧案件调查方面，20岁凶嫌克鲁克斯伫咧2022年高中毕业的影片也被公开，伊的选民登记册显示是共和党人，被收押捐款予民主党的团体。案发了，当场就被拍死。因那这件枪击事件内面死亡的41岁消防员科瑞，为了要保护家人而牺牲，当初听到消息了，把水条喷向消防局的指定来悼念。外界认为，这边的暗杀未遂事件，对今年的美国总统大选会有正大影响。记者综合报道。